Better start spending them coins then. What is the best gift I ever got for you?
She gave me the keys to her heart.
Oh, babe!
Saying say meat of a man and bone of a dog. So how this a meat of a this a man, yeah? You understand? So me not a problem with it, but
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Hi guys, so we'll be doing the husband tag today.
True.
Alright, so as you all know, this is Bay, my Bay.
Give me a kiss.
Baby. Right. So yeah, let's get started. When did we meet?
2016, February 7th. I'm just kidding, it's the 4th. I'm just kidding, baby, it's the 7th.
I think it's the 6th.
No, it's the 7th. You don't remember. It's alright, it's fine.
I think it's the 6th,
It's the
guys.
7th, it's the 7th, guys.
I had the party on the 6th to see. Alright, let's come pick out your
Calendar?
yeah. What was your first opinion of me?
Ah, well, I thought she was a bold and sexy girl. You know, I'm the lover for that. I'm still love her for that. Yeah, that's a she. Maybe the JB still or something. She had a little influence, but guess what? She bold. Yeah, it was just lovely.
When did you know I was the one?
Oh, that's like 3-4 months after talking, you know, conversating. You know, me have a little list with all of the things, them, all of the qualities that we look for in a female. I'm like, she tick all of them qualities there, you know. So my just make sure you know, say, yeah, I like that.
Okay. How long did it take to plan the wedding?
Roughly December to December, roughly a year.
Right. It did take roughly a year. Okay, when did we get married?
Last year. 23rd of December 2016, 17, sorry. Yeah, we kind of get mixed up with the dates, so I don't really watch the part, right? You understand?
How long have we been married?
13, 23, 15 there.
How did you propose?
Alright, I had this big fancy thing planned, but everything didn't go as according to plan. So, you know, I just be up at the hotel. We're like, you know, like a romantic kiss, hug, expression of love.
How did you propose? Shh. Just it. Don't lie. Do not lie. How did you propose? Is it alright? I'll tell you how he proposed. He got on his knees, right, in front of his mom and proposed.
Yeah, that's right. No, that's a me, say you.
How many children do you want before marriage?
Do I?
Yeah.
1.
What?
1.
Before marriage?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What does my family think of you?
Well, your family. Everyone in your family so far when we meet have given me a very warm welcome. Everybody.
What does my friend think of you?
Your friend them? Well, me can't really speak for your friend them, but based on what I can see, them accept me and happy say we're together. So yeah.
What is my worst habit?
Huh? The fart they sleep. The fart loaded they sleep.
Really?
She farts on me when we are cuddling.
Don't do that. Wait.
When we sleep at night time, I cuddle her. I hug her like this, and then she always squeeze off something.
Don't you put? Isn't poop natural?
When I fart, I go to the bathroom or one side. I have manners.
I got manners too, MiJulsz, but you do know what it is. Because I've been holding it in all day. This is what happens. I hold it in all day, yeah. And when I'm sleeping, my body just relaxes. So, part of life. What's my best habit?
Your best habit? Your best habit. Oh yeah, she spoils people a lot. Yeah. She spoils everybody. Even dogs, cats, animals in general. She spoil everyone. She's loving. That's probably the best thing.
Who wears the pants in the relationship?
Well, I have a different opinion than everyone else. I like to think that a relationship should be mutual, and that is the kind of relationship that we share. However, if there's a situation
If you could get rid of one thing that belongs to me, what would it be?
Oh yeah, your grumpy attitude. Yeah.
Who's grumpy?
You see, listen. She have an attitude, like she throw a tantrum like kids. If she wants something and she not get it, or get it how she want it, then show a tantrum and be able like pick me along up in mouth. Show them. Yes, see that? So,
yeah, but obviously if you're upset, you're gonna show it. You're gonna show it. I'm gonna show it.
Yeah, but you ask me a question, when I get rid of that. Because I love happy face smile. Look how you're pretty, you're grumpy now. If you have a whole man.
Give me rude.
No whole man kiss.
Whatever.
Go on again.
Who's the better cook?
Ah, come on. Is that a question? I'm a chef. It's obvious. I'm a chef.
What do we argue most about?
Um,
It varies.
no, most
It
about
varies.
our weight.
It varies. Yeah.
You know, like when we show them saying fat or...
No.
You know, them kind of levels there. But that are nothing too serious. Look here.
They can't see it. Don't you dare.
You might call me matches and I call our fridge.
I'm cutting that out. You're so rude. So
Listen,
rude. He's so rude.
So
And he doesn't
basically,
understand that calling someone fat is rude and offensive. Because
Jamaica, me
obviously
come
in
from.
Jamaica, fat girls, I
No,
don't know,
listen,
they're
you see in
quite...
Jamaica they have a saying say meat of a man and bone of a dog. So all of this a meat of this a man, yeah. You understand? So I don't have a problem with it, but sometimes I might say oh, you're chubby or something, and you get vexed and throw tantrum and go one side, push up your mouth and tell people about Ray.
Whatever. Okay. Have you ever pretended to sleep to avoid an argument?
No,
No.
never. I don't mean that.
What was our last argument about?
Me trouble one time say he want borrow my shorts and me say my shorts can't fit him.
That was,
And
that was out of order.
Him vex about how much? How long you vex for?
Hours. Almost the whole day.
Yeah man, about 18 hours straight.
Yeah.
18 hours straight out of attitude, just over that one question. I mean, I was dead the day, you know. I almost drowned, and not even business about that, and just
That's
business
a lie.
about in weight.
I did care. Listen, I
You
saw
don't care.
him drowning and I did care. I
No.
froze. Out of shock, I froze.
You never said nothing to me, you're not even business, you're just business about a little attitude problem, so. I see that, I'm not judge him for that, you understand?
But you're
Because I'm a
alive.
man at the same time, I'm not keep malice and mix up like woman and long up my mouth, so Because I know say, when you long up my mouth, they get ugly. I'm not interested if you get ugly. You see, look on your face already, start get wrinkle.
Whatever. What was the last text I sent you?
The question there.
Can't remember.
No, see the question there. You sent
Oh.
She sent me, the last text she sent me, yeah, was the questions about the interview you're having.
The tag.
I'm previous.
It's called a tag.
I'm previous. She sent me the pictures of her wedding because I had no pictures on my phone and she sent me a few pictures. And before that she sent me a weird text. It says like BRHN, something like that. Yeah. I think she was drunk and she was trying to contact me.
Right.
Right.
Okay. Who's more affectionate?
That'll be you, baby. I mean, I'm affectionate, but she shows it more. She's very affectionate. She likes to be babied, pampered, loved, like 24/7.
So that means that's you then if I like all them things.
You like me to do it for you?
Yeah, so that means you're more affectionate.
No, it means you want me to be affectionate.
Listen, I think he's more affectionate.
Nah.
Stop trying to be all macho.
You know, see this? Watch out. Macho.
Whatever. I think he's more affectionate, guys. What is something that I enjoy doing with you?
This I go upon something we can use expletive or something.
Yeah, sure.
Sex.
That's not the only thing we enjoy.
It's not the only thing, but you ask me what. You
So
ask me
don't
to
we
name
talk,
something.
don't we cuddle, don't we go out, don't we go for long walks, go for a drive?
But you never asked me to explain all that. You asked me a question and I answered it.
Okay. 6.
Yeah, we enjoy sex. Our sex is spontaneous,
Look at the smile.
spicy.
Whatever. What was who's the more romantic one?
Alright.
Me.
On a regular day, I'm gonna give it to she. But if me get in the mood and decide I'm gonna go all out, nobody can beat me. Nobody at all.
Okay.
Nobody.
Who is the funny one? Him.
Ah.
I don't like jokes like that. He's a practical joker. Sometimes it gets him in trouble because his jokes are offensive.
Such is life. What is joke to you?
He's dead to another man. Exactly.
Yeah, but
exactly. So you should have
listen,
known
people,
not
let
to
me tell you
joke.
something. You see, in this life where we live, you got to say YOLO, right?
No.
You live once and once only. Me never see nobody who say they live two life. And me now live my life I'm miserable at the end of the day when me go dead tomorrow. I say, boy, if me know I live a happy life, would be different. She would have said, would love me, would love husband more, would get so upset, would give more good time than bad time. You understand? So me understand that. So me do what me need to do. Right, straight. One again.
Who's more outgoing?
Me think that share 50-50 because we like gold. You love dinner, me love party, and we share that kind of bond there. So we love,
Not
we
that
love.
outgoing, babe.
Where
That will go like the extra mile.
Oh, me go anyway. What type of you go anyway too, so you still have a share.
Not anywhere. Like go the extra mile for
No,
people.
then that me I talk about. We go through every means and measures and lengths for people to get things done to make them happy.
Right.
I'll do anything for Tabby.
Would I prefer to stay in or go out on a Friday?
My God, can I want bougie food?
Have
Bougie
you ever
restaurant.
lied to avoid getting in trouble with me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
When?
That's
Have I ever gotten something for you didn't like?
you have amazing taste in most everything. So the only thing you think you ever buy for me women are probably like maybe what do you think? I'm not sure. It can't come to my mind right now. No, like she have awesome taste.
Okay.
You know, almost everything. If she buy me something I don't like, she not buy it. If you can understand that, big sense out of nonsense, you're not smart.
What is the best gift I ever got for you?
She gave me the keys to her heart. It's the best
Oh, babe!
gift. Two, one more.
Oh.
Come, relax. Relax.
You don't want to kiss me on camera?
Yeah,
You're rude.
but I want to get this over with so we can go live our lives together.
We're going to do one more later on. I think these questions are boring. Ish.
You hear what she said? It's my life boring.
I said these
It's
questions.
fine. It's
Watch
fine.
ya.
Me know I'm not bored, I'm hyper, energetic and exciting.
What is something I cannot live without?
Sex. Oh, sorry.
That's so rude.
I'm
I
just kidding.
live without that for like 10 months out of the year, mate.
She can't live without makeup.
Tussie, come on. I've gone a couple days without makeup now. Realistically,
Vloggers, YouTubers, my wife can't live without makeup. She would not be a happy woman.
was I wearing makeup yesterday?
She
No.
can't live without food because even though she might like food, but if you come to the test, you rather makeup than food. Trust me.
Better start spending them coins then. Okay, what is use one word to describe me.
Spoiled.
No. What? No, I'm not spoiled at all.
She's an amazing person. It's hard to use one word to describe this woman.
Hey.
She's a fabulous creature of the female species.
Creature? I don't think people use the word creature.
No, guess what? I'm using divine intellect, so you have to understand.
Okay. Okay, honey.
You go over most people's heads, so you have to understand. You have to be up there, you have to have a level of IQ to understand. So, yeah.
What is my best physical trait?
Twerking.
He likes my legs, that's what they mean.
I like when she twerks.
That's not what the question is, babe. What's my best physical? My eyes, my lips, my
Huh?
my what? My pum pum. It's rude.
Or funny.
To say it.
Yeah?
Be respectful. You can say my eyes.
You never heard, but you ask me what's the best, I'm gonna tell her the best. See what I'm telling a lie? Okay. I love her, she have beautiful legs. They're sexy. Clean. You can put your tongue on them anywhere. Yeah.
What is my best personality trait?
I think that would be your ability to make everybody feel like somebody important. You make everybody feel like a VIP. Trust me.
Who is more likely to get in a fight? Come on.
Yeah, I guess it would be me.
I'm not violent at all.
But she cuts you fast though. And check if you joke out your eye. That's true.
I guess so.
Especially if you see all one little cat you look for me.
Why is she looking at you? Come on.
See there, see there.
Come on.
See there.
That's why we're quick
listen, if you
to
have a,
resize the ring
if
so
you
they
have a
know
man,
he's married.
if you have a man and a woman not look on him sitting around with him, nobody else don't want to.
Really? No. You can look, but don't be staring. Like, bitch, she taken. Anyways, MiJulsz, I hope you've enjoyed that tag. And when he comes over, there'll be loads more videos of me and him. So if you've liked it, please comment, subscribe, like, and share. And we'll see you next time, okay? So bad. Come on, give me a kiss. Have one.
Cheers, MiJulsz, and your. I see a girl, yo. Your girl me up, girl.
No, on the cheek, man. I'm
That's
Papa
a sexy
one.
kiss. You see me, I show you? She's overly demanding.
Come.
That's not a good trait to carry as a wife.
Come on.
Trust me. I'll teach you something.
Come on.
And all the time when she say jump, you say, how are you here?
Come on.
No.
Come now.
I gave a good kiss already.
No.
And we gave good sex last night.
Bye, MiJulsz. The questions are on your phone, babe.
Oh, I think you didn't know them out of your head. What, you want me to study them?
Pardon?
You want me to study them?
Give you to study them? No. Study what? The questions? No.
Too easy.
No. It has to be spontaneous.
But you're supposed to hit me with a hard question. So wait. What me? So
Hi,
what,
guys. So we'll be doing...
Pause it.
Go on. No, I could edit it out. Why am I not doing the wife tag? Because I've already told them my part of the story. They haven't heard your side.
That don't make no sense. You can't tell if your part of the story. We're supposed to ask the question like you ask me.
Okay, we can do that tomorrow. Hi, guys.
Unfair.
Hi, guys. I'm not unfair.